toward Forest Central Drive, then turn right.
Oh, man.
Oh my god. Okay.
In 150 feet, turn right toward Bonner Street. Take the next right toward Bonner Street, then continue straight onto Bonner Street.
Hello?
In 100 feet, turn right toward Forest Central Drive. Take the next right toward Forest Central Drive, then turn right onto Forest Central Drive.
This morning. Yeah, so I went to the bank and put that money on my card so I could pay my rent and my cell phone. So I was pull out that, I'm like, oh shit, I won't have a phone. And I'm like, oh, I forgot I have that extra that I was supposed to put towards the lease. And plus, I'm going to take as that she's paying me back because I paid $82 for her groceries. You know, she paid me the whole month. And then, so I did that at the bank, got a bank statement.
Take the next left toward Forest Central Drive, then turn right onto Forest Central Drive.
For Tiffany, when I text Terry back and saying, I already got the bank statement. You don't need to pick up Tiffany. Things have changed. She's not gonna be my roommate, and I haven't heard back from Terry.
Take the next right onto Forest Central Drive, then turn left onto Bonner Street.
What the heck? Well, I mean, if she's not gonna do shit, if she's not gonna help me out, I mean, I guess I'm being a bitch or something, but
You're on video.
Make a U-turn. In 800 feet, turn left onto Bonner Street.